We like to offer lunch to our employees. It's just a nice little benefit. Put it on each side so people can... We like people to volunteer. You know, they can sign up for cooking and cleaning for the day.
Lunch! Lunch! This is awesome. Look at that. Isn't that good?
The way that the kitchen process works here is not only do you get to have the benefit of having lunch every day, but we also have some awesome employees and they like to volunteer to cook and clean. They sign up on the fridge. So it's really a group effort. It's great around here.
Now that's some good lunch.
We like to do special things here and there. Today, a few of our sales teams got to won a credit from one of our vendors and they donated it to provide lunch for everybody. Whoever's cooking that day will write what we're having. We have meals planned throughout the week so people can decide what day they want to cook, so they decide what type of food they want to cook.
Give me some beans.
It looks like you need a hand. You want more?
No.
No?
No.
Okay.